29 Super C, any general advice for EB-3 interview attorney Khosravi? Thank you. You're welcome. So, I don't typically deal with EB-3 or EB-2 cases, but it's very similar when you're doing consular processing for an immigrant visa case. Primarily, fill out the DS-260 form properly so your information is correct, there's no inconsistencies, and have your civil documents prepared with translations if needed. So birth certificate, marriage certificates, divorce certificates, military records, and any unique kind of things that might be needed based on your background. And then when you go to the interview, be prepared to be able to talk about what your skill is that you're bringing the company is, so they don't think this is some sort of fake job and you don't know what the job requires and stuff. But I think in your case, you have experience working with this company in the past, so there's less of a doubt about that. But for general kind of people who are watching this, you don't want to go to your interview, and obviously if it's, I'm saying this to a person that has a valid, honest case, not a person who's scamming, but you don't want to go and not be able to answer questions about who the company is that's hiring you, what your work is, what you expect it to entail, how much money you expect to make. You got to know these details because these are details that should have been negotiated with a company with regards to your contract and how much you're making. But also, if you're going to work for somebody, you want to know what their name is, what their address is, or maybe memorizing the address not as important, but know where they are, what they do, what their history is, so you can explain to them and be able to show that. So that's something to keep in mind on these kind of cases. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.